Now this has to be the best looking humidifier I've got off TikTok. This Fireplace log effect humidifier just looks amazing when lit up. It creates a fine mist into the room. The humidifier has different colour light settings to choose from. You can change the fireplace colour and the mist colour to your desired choice. Just fill the humidifier up to the level with water, plug in, and away you go. It looks sensational with the room lights off. It also comes with a remote for changing the colour, turning on and off, and has a timer option. The outside comes in two options, white or black. Add one to your basket today by clicking the link below.